Okay, what do you guys think of a electric Camaro? It does run a 9-second mark though, so it is fast. Listen to this thing.
Behind the wheel, again talking lean, with the fingers crossed. I was going to say, really nice to turn around like your mother did. And we make a 9 seconds to a full body electric eCOPO.
Yeah, that was fast. What do you guys think about a electric Camaro? I don't know about you, but I like the roar of an engine. It's a good looking car though. Yeah, this car went to auction, let's see, September 2019, and it never found a home, as the auction company imagined it would sell for around $525,000. I couldn't imagine giving $100,000 for an electric car. Yeah, it'd be fast, but 700 horsepower, 600 pound-feet of torque. So what do you think about an electric Camaro? I'm not sure. I just don't see it flying. Most guys like the sound of a V8. There's nothing even compares to it. Yeah, it might be fast, but okay, this car is based on a 2019 Camaro. Yeah, it just bolts right up to the bell housing on the transmission. Okay, a little bit of information on this car right here. The battery packs, they weigh 700 pounds. The motor assembly itself weighs around 300 pounds. And it's 800 volts, 1400 amps. So you're running a lot of power through there. So you're going 800 volts DC to 100 volts AC. Yeah, this motor is 100 volts, 3-phase AC. So no wonder it's so fast. Three-phase, that's like an industrial motor. And another thing on there, these converters are water cooled, and so is the battery packs. They're water cooled to keep everything from getting too warm in your quarter-mile runs. That's pretty cool. I mean, if like I say, if money was no object, yeah, that'd be fun to play around with one, but on the racetrack. But anyway, I thought that information was pretty cool. Thought I'd share it along. Yeah, right here it says it's connected to a conventional racing prepared turbo 400 automatic transmission. Channels the motor's torque to the same solid rear axle as used in production eCOPO Camaro race cars. So that's pretty impressive. 800-volt battery pack enables more efficient power transfer to the electric motor and supports faster recharging, which is important for the limited time between elimination rounds in drag racing. Here's some of the battery packs back here. They're all water cooled. Now we're going to go into just electric Camaro. Okay, electric Chevy Camaro may be in the works. Okay, this BEV3 platform is what they use for their trucks, SUVs, cars, everything that General Motors builds. We'll go into, that's what it looks like. It's your batteries here. Okay, there's a better picture of the BEV3 platform that all the General Motors are built upon. Drive unit testing in the dyno chamber at General Motors propulsion system in Pontiac, Michigan. Okay, GM hints at an electric Chevrolet Camaro. See, the body lines look pretty close. Okay, the Camaro EV crossover imagined to take on the Mustang Mach-E. That don't even look like a Camaro. Proving nobody wants a electric Camaro. Proving nobody wants a Camaro. They should have said nobody wanted an electric Camaro. A lot of people want a Camaro. Okay, Chevrolet Camaro E28 electric SUV. GM's answer to the Mustang Mach-E. Here's what a Camaro EV crossover might look like. Nah, that don't look right. A Camaro crossover. They can do better than that. I don't think so. Might as well take the Camaro name plumb off of it. This is what I'm talking about right here. Okay, put down the comments down below what you think of them electric cars. I just don't think they're gonna fly. I'm just gonna stick to the 5th gen Camaro. Don't want nothing to do with them electric car. Can you imagine the battery pack going out in one of them? How many thousand it would cost to replace that? That would be crazy. Bad enough just replacing your battery in your vehicle for your motor. Say $150 or $100, $125, $150. Some of them are kind of expensive, but battery pack that goes down on the bottom down here. I imagine it just, you raise it up on a lift, and I imagine they just have some bolts that just drops down. I'm sure they'd make it easy. Surely, I don't know, with GM's engineering, they probably got it where you got to pull all the seats and interior, half the interior out before you can get to it. That wouldn't surprise me either. Knowing them engineers, they don't want to make anything easy. So put down in the comments down below what you think about the electric cars that's coming out in the next few years. Okay, now we're over here on eBay. I'll show you some of the prices on some of these batteries. Chevrolet Volt, $2,400, $3,200 buy it now. That's why I say when your batteries go out, it's gonna be real expensive. I mean, that's a cost of a motor. $3,700, $4,000. That's like you replace your motor every 7 years, 5 to 7 years. That's crazy. It's just gonna be so expensive. Now, if money was no object, it would be fun to have one. In fact, I'd probably buy one. If money was no object, then I'd have one until it broke down and something went wrong with it, and I'd probably get rid of it. But they are fast. Flat set you back in your seat. Okay, this is not too bad. I mean, it's still very expensive. $4,000. If you want to see something expensive, now we're gonna go to Tesla battery packs. Okay, here's Tesla battery packs. 12,500. Got 21 watchers on that. Tesla Model 3. Long range battery pack assembly OEM 2017 to 2020. Shipping's $1,000. Wow. It's up in Michigan. And that's a used one. $27,000. And that's a pre-owned one. I could buy a decent car for that. Really? My word. $625 shipping, flat rate. I see a warranty on some of these, maybe 60-day warranties for. See one on here? Yeah, this one right here, I believe it was. 15,000 and $1,000 shipping, 30-day returns. I just don't know how in the world an average person can afford something like that. When that's a 2020 model. 12,000, 10,000, $20,000. Tesla Roadster battery pack, 172 mile range. Oh, got that big old chain around it. Looks pretty heavy, huh? No wonder they want $1,000 for pickup. Free local pickup. Arizona. So how many of these batteries you guys want to buy? Ah, lands. Anyway, I thought I'd get on here and show you what the cost of some of these batteries are. I mean, that's what I'm saying on these electric cars. Whatever you spend on gasoline, or what you would have spent each week on gasoline, you better be putting it back in a separate account and basically saving up to buy your next set of batteries. That's the only way you could do it. If you spend $10 a week on gas, then you better have $10 or $40 or $50 a month going into a special account to go back and buy batteries. Now, the best thing to do on these electric cars might be a good idea just to lease one. Keep it 2 or 3 years, get a new one. That'd be about the only way I'd want one. Lease it out. Use it 2 or 3 years, be done with it. I'm gonna stick to gas-powered cars as long as I can. They're just gonna be way too expensive to deal with. If a car don't run off of gasoline, how are they gonna get the road tax to repair the roads and bridges? I'm sure they'll find a way to get money out of you somehow, because your gas tax is included when you buy gasoline. So I guess we'll see what happens. They're talking about a gas shortage this summer. Last year we had so much gasoline, didn't know what to do with. This year we're going to have a gasoline shortage. So might not be a bad idea to get your gas jugs filled up just in case if that happens. So thanks for watching.